Students, today we are going to study the third chapter of English, that is On Wings of Courage. This is a biographical chapter. Biography means, I hope you all understand what is biography. Biography means autobiography. There are two types, autobiography and biography. Autobiography means when I write my own story, and biography means when somebody else write about my story. So this chapter is a biography of Marshal Arjun Singh. Now let's see who's Marshal Arjun Singh. Marshal Arjun Singh was a pilot in the Indian Air Force. He was one of the decorated officers. Decorated officers means with lot of medals. You all know the Army, Navy, Air Force and all, they get the ranks according to the medals which they get. So he was one of the decorated persons, officers you can say. And this story is about him. He was very brave, very fearless, very courageous, and a very daring person. He was a pilot in the Indian Air Force. Now this chapter is about his achievements. So let's see. He was born in the year 1919 in Layalpur, that is right now it is in Pakistan. And you can see he completed his education also over there in a school called Montgomery, and then he joined the Indian Air Force in the year 1919. Okay, afterwards, after joining the Indian Air Force, he was awarded the DFC, that is the Distinguished Flying Cross. That was in the year 1919 when he joined it, and this was given to him by the Supreme Allied Commander, that is of Southeast Asia. This was the rank, first person, he was the first person to get this rank. Then he got a lot of promotions, that is he was promoted to the rank of squadron leader in 1944. Then he was promoted as wing commander in 1947. Then he was promoted as the air commodore, and he became the air commanding officer, that is the AOC, in the year 1949. That was his longest tenure. That means tenure means ज़्यादा टाइम उन्होंने वहाँ पे उस पोस्ट में रहे हैं. That is from the year 1949 to 1952. Then from 1957 to 1961 he was a air commanding officer. Then in 1961 he became the air vice marshal. In the year 1962 he became the deputy air staff. Okay, then in 1963 he became vice chief air staff. So you can see how he's progressing. Okay, lot of achievements. Then he became the commander of Joint Air Training Exercise of Shiksha of IAF, that is the Indian Air Force, then RAF, that is the Royal Air Force, and the RAAF, that is the Royal Australian Air Force. Okay, so lot of achievements he got in his life. Next was his in 1964 he became the Air Marshal of Indian Air Force. Then our government was very happy with his achievements. They conferred him with the Padma Vibhushan award. You all know these are the awards which are given by our Indian government to the people who are distinguished in their fields. Okay, so he was given Padma Vibhushan award. Then after that he was retired. He retired in 1969. After retirement also he kept on achieving. Just see students, retirement होने के बाद भी उनका achievement का सिलसिला नहीं रुका. He was going on getting some of the other ranks. Now after retirement also he became ambassador to Switzerland. Ambassador means he was representing India to Switzerland. I hope you all understood what is ambassador. Ambassador means for example जैसे 10th A है, 10th A का monitor, 10th A का monitor किसको represent करेगा? 10th A class को. So he will be known as the ambassador of 10th A. So he was given that post. Whole of India he was presenting to Switzerland. He became the ambassador to Switzerland. Then you can see he became the lieutenant commander lieutenant governor. I'm sorry, he became the lieutenant governor of Delhi in the year 1989 to 1990. In 2002, government again conferred him with another post, that is the Marshal of Air Force. Now this Marshal of Air Force was the highest title given to him, and he became the 5-star rank officer. So students, you all can see so much of achievement in a lifetime. A great person. About his personality, what to tell, he was a very jewel of a person. Everybody liked him. He was very kind to the people. He was very particular about his work. He was a man of few words. Man of few words means बहुत कम बोलते थे but बहुत कुछ करके दिखाते थे. So he was a man of few words. That is, he was a very exceptional kind of person. And in his lifetime, you won't believe, in his lifetime, he has flown 60 different planes, 60 different fighter planes of Indian Air Force. Whatever new planes came, he used to always fly it with confidence. So he was a person who has flown 60 different fighter planes from the World War II. फ्रॉम द प्री वर्ल्ड वॉर टू, वर्ल्ड वॉर के पहले से उन्होंने स्टार्ट किया और अब तक उन्होंने 60 डिफरेंट फाइटर प्लेन्स उड़ाए हैं. एंड देन यू कैन सी ही, बिकॉज ऑफ हिज कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन, इंडियाज एयरफोर्स became the 4th biggest in the world. So you can see what a great person he was. India's Air Force became the 4th biggest in the world. Okay, so a great achievement for our country also because of him. So, and finally he died in the year 2017. So here you can see, students, we need such kind of people in our society. So this chapter is kept for y'all so that y'all also become something in life. This is your turning point, 10th standard. So there is lot of things to do in life. Be concentrated, study nicely, and become someone like Marshal Arjun Singh. So that is why this chapter is kept for you all. Thank you, students. I hope you all understood the chapter, and stay safe till we meet in our next lecture.